Hello viewers, today we are at Z Energy's Miramar location for another car wash video. Today's car wash is a WashTec SoftCare Pro. Now this is actually not the original car wash at this Z station. They actually used to have a WashTec SoftCare Evo. This machine is actually second hand. It's second hand from basically there used to be another Z petrol station in Wellington City. That closed down a few years ago, and they're now building a new office block on the land where the petrol station used to be. But that car wash was significantly newer than the Evo that they had here. So they removed the car wash from that central Wellington location and reinstalled it here, replacing the Evo. So let's go and check it out. Right, let's go. Would have been easier if I could back up, but some dork has gone and parked right behind me, so I can't back the car up. Just going slowly, purely so that the camera doesn't get knocked off. I have my code. When they replaced this car wash, they put a new code box in as well. Okay. Here we go. Oops. Start again. 7, 9, 8, 7, 2, 5. Please wait. Program 1 ready. In we go. You can see we have an undercarriage wash fitted. Oh, I've gone too far. Reverse. Don't normally do that, but I went way too far forward. Momentary lapse of concentration there. There we go, stop. There was a bit of a lapse of concentration there on my part. Right. Okay. Here we go. So this wash cost me $18, which is fairly reasonable for what is just a standard SoftCare machine. Excellent. Foaming up. There's actually now only 2 of these machines operating with Z in Wellington. There used to be a few more, but obviously the one in Johnsonville got replaced at the end of 2019 with the WashTec Combi Wash. And the one in Lower Hutt got replaced with the MX32. So the only Z editions of these... Oh, we're getting a bit of a spray here. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. So the only ones of these still operating with Z are this one and the one in Paraparaumu. Obviously BP have got some of these as well. All the brushes are coming on. Yeah. BP has still got some SoftCare Pros as well, although not as many as they used to, because some of them have been replaced with 2 Pros now. I'm just having some of my drink while I'm in here. It's quite muggy in here today. It's quite muggy today, so we may have to put the demisters on if it starts to steam up in here. As you can see, we've got the standard Z brush colours as introduced in 2018 with the orange and the dark blue. I should say it was the standard. Obviously they're now on the new Istanbuls just doing the dark blue all over. They're not doing the orange anymore on the Istanbuls. So like I say, this site used to have a SoftCare Evo, which is actually the same as what they've got at the one round by the airport. But obviously the Evo is gone from here. There actually used to be a BP station here a long time ago, like about 15 years ago. They used to have both, well, it wasn't Z at the time, it was Shell at the time, and BP, but the BP closed down, I think, 2009. But obviously the Z station that's over by the airport wasn't always a Z, that used to be Caltex. So we used to have BP, Shell and Caltex, and then the BP closed down, Shell became Z, and then Z took over the Caltex. So now there's only 2 car washes in the Miramar area, and both of them are Z. I mean, the only other car wash that's vainly close is the Mobile over in Kilburney, which is over the other side of the airport. And they've got an Istanbul MX-22 in there. In fact, they used to have a WashTec SoftCare Evo as well, actually, before they put the Istanbul in 2019. Bit of a squeaky machine. So obviously now, as I should have commentated, we've had our second application of foam and we're now getting the additional brush pass. I need to shove my demisters on, I think. I'm just putting my demisters on so that when time comes to exit the car wash, I'll actually be able to see. We should be going into drying now, I think. Yep, here we go. See, this is how you can tell it's a SoftCare Pro and not a 2 Pro, because it does still have the original style dryer on it. I'm just putting my demisters on full for a minute, just to clear some of the mist off my windows. And use my hand, wipe some of it away. Windscreen's not too bad. Turn it down a bit. This is not bad, this is not bad. It's nice to do something, you know, a little bit older. I think a lot of my recent car wash videos, especially some of the laser washes and stuff I've filmed, have been like brand new machines. I've filmed brand new WashTecs, etc, etc. Either that or I filmed stuff that's like really old. So it's nice to sort of do something a bit middle of the range, you know, not new, but not overly old either. Okay, we are good to go. So let's just exit the wash bay. Just pull in over here, just pull out the wash bay a second whilst I put the camera away and put my seatbelt back on before I drive off. Okay, so there we are, people. Successful wash. Is there anybody else going in behind me? No, there isn't at the moment. It's seen a bit of use today. I drove past here earlier, there was a car in it and another one waiting, so yeah, obviously a few people using it today. Mind you, it's a weekend, so I think a lot more people do tend to wash their cars on a weekend. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.